Hello students, welcome to the social studies class of geography, lesson number 1 resources, class part 2. In our last class we have seen about what is resource, importance of resource, natural and types of natural resources. Till renewable resource we have completed. In this class we will see about the types of non-renewable resources in detailed manner. Yes students, are you ready? Yes, let me go into the class now. Non-renewable resource. Non-renewable resource that once consumed and cannot be replaced, that is called non-renewable resource. These resources divided into 3 types. One is metallic resource, non-metallic resource, fossil fuel resource. Let's see the resources one by one. First one is metallic resources. Metallic resources are the type of resource that are composed of metals. It's a kind of metal that is called metallic resources. These resources are hard substances. It has hard substances which are the good conductor of heat and energy. It can able to absorb the heat and energy easily. So best example for the metallic resources are iron, copper, gold, bauxite, silver, manganese, etc. So in this class we will see some metallic resources now. First one is iron. Iron, it is the fourth common element in the earth's crust. It has some common ore. Ore means nothing. It is the raw minerals which extract directly from the earth. That is called ore. Okay. So it has 2 type of ores. One is magnetite and hematite. These are all the common ore of the iron. Iron ore is the key raw material in making steel. Making steel. This steel will use in the construction material. Pure iron is very soft one. If you want to make this iron to be more strength, they will add some amount of carbon and manganese. With the help of the carbon and manganese, it will become more strength. And one more thing is, best benefit in this iron is it is low cost and a high earth strength. That's why in the construction areas they will use mostly this kind of iron. And this iron is produced from many countries, especially in China, Australia, Brazil, India and Russia. These are all the countries are principal producer of the iron. In Tamil Nadu, iron ores found at the place of Kanjamalai. Next one is copper. Copper, it is one of the first metal known and used by human, isn't it? In a early human lesson we have learned, isn't it? Which metal is first used by human? That is copper, isn't it? So copper is one of the first metal known and used by the human. It is the third most consumed metal in the world. Copper is a good conductor of the heat and electricity. That's why they will use the copper in electricity, cables and electronics. So Chile is the world's number 1 producer of the copper. Other copper producing countries are Peru, China, United States, Congo and Australia. Next, the valuable metal is gold. Gold, it is a rare and precious metal. It is used for minting coins in the olden days. At present, they have used gold for making ornaments and other luxury items. It regarded as a symbol of prosperity and a form of wealth. That's why most of the people prefer the gold to show their wealth. China is the world's largest producer of the gold. In our India, Karnataka is the largest producer of the gold. That is Kolar Gold Field. It is one of the deepest mine in the world. Australia has 9,500 tons of reserves of gold ore. And another countries are Australia, Russia, United States, South Africa and Canada. These are all the countries are major producer of the gold. Next metal is bauxite. Bauxite. Aluminium is produced from bauxite ore. There are several ores that contain aluminium, but bauxite contain more aluminium. Aluminium has wide range of uses compared to the other metals. And one more thing is, aluminium is light in weight, and at the same time it is tough and cheaper, which make it popular metal for the constructional purpose. It is mainly used in the construction of aircraft, ship, automobiles, railway coaches and etc. Aluminium is a good conductor of the electricity and heat. Hence, it is used for making electrical cables. I think you have seen in the cable wire itself. It is highly resistant to the corrosion. By the addition of small quantities of other metals to aluminium, it creates a superior alloy than pure aluminium. Example is duralumin. The major producer of bauxite is Australia. Australia is the major producer of the bauxite. The bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Shervarai Hills of Salem district in Tamil Nadu. Next metal is silver. Silver is also a precious metal like gold. It has a wider variety of uses than the gold. It is used in making jewelry, photographic goods, electroplating industry and in the manufacturing of the luxury goods. About 2/3 of silver is used for monetary purpose. Like gold, silver also resists the corrosion. Mexico is the world's leading producer of the silver. Other countries are Peru, China, Russia, Australia and Chile. More than 50% of silver is found only in South American countries. Next metal is manganese. Manganese is a steel grade, hard, shiny and brittle metal. This manganese is essential for the production of good quality steel. So in the production of steel, manganese take a big part. Manganese is used in making electrical batteries. This is very important point. Which metal is used in electrical batteries? If they ask means you should say the answer manganese. It is also used as a coloring material in bricks, pottery, floor tiles, everything. Manganese compounds are used in making disinfecting liquids, bleaching powder, fertilizer. In these product contain manganese. So manganese is a very useful metal in every day-to-day life of the human. South Africa is the world's leading producer of the manganese. The significant producer of the manganese in the world are China, Australia, Brazil and India. All these producers have large reserves of manganese and are significant exporter in the world. Next one is non-metallic resources. Non-metallic resources do not comprise of metal. So these non-metallic resources can be described as the resource that do not comprise of the metals. These are not hard substances and are not good conductor of the heat and electricity. Opposite, metallic resource contain the metals. Non-metallic resource do not comprise of metal. Metallic resources is a hard substances and it is a good conductor of the heat and electricity, but non-metallic resources are not the good conductor of the heat and electricity. Example for the non-metallic resources: first one is mica, limestone, gypsum, dolomite, phosphate and etc. Let me see about some non-metallic minerals now. First one is mica. Mica, it is a common ore of muscovite and biotite. It is one of the indispensable mineral used in the electrical and the electronic industry. It is actually used in an insulating material, that is in the electrical industry. In a powder form, it is used for making lubricant oils and decorative wallpaper, that is paints. In paints and all, they will use the mica. The world's top producer of mica is China. About 95% of India's mica is found in Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Other countries are Russia, Finland, United States and Turkey. So these are all the countries produce the more mica. Next one is limestone. Limestone is a sedimentary rock which composed of mainly by skeletal fragments of marine organisms such as coral, flora and molluscs. About 10% of sedimentary rocks are limestones. Mostly limestone is made into the crushed stone and used as a construction material. It is used for facing stone, floor tiles, stairs, windows and many other purposes. The crushed limestone is used in smelting and other metal refining process. The best example is Portland cement is actually made from the limestone. China is the leading producer of the limestone production in the world. Other countries are United States of America, India, Russia, Brazil and Japan. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh and Tamil Nadu. These are all the leading producers of the limestone in India. In Tamil Nadu, large-scale limestone reserve found in the Ramanathapuram, Tirunelveli, Ariyalur, Salem, Coimbatore and Madurai district. Next one is fossil fuel resource. Fossil fuel resources are normally formed from the remains of dead plants and animals. Due to the several processes in the earth, it becomes changed as a fossil fuel. They are often referred to as the fossil fuel and are formed from the hydrocarbon. When fossil fuels are burned, they become great source for heat and energy. So example for some fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gas. From these examples of fossil fuel resource, first we will see about the coal. This is the most commonly found fossil fuel that forms when dead matters is converted into the peat. Peat is a kind of coal. It is used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam engines to generate electricity. In different kinds of purpose they have used coal. Especially in electricity produced from coal, that is called thermal power. In thermal electricity, the main part is coal. Coal is actually classified into 4 types. First one is anthracite, second one is bituminous, third one is lignite and fourth one is peat. The leading coal producer of the world is China. Beside this, India, USA, Australia, Indonesia and Russia also produce more coal. The coal producing areas of India are Raniganj in West Bengal, Neyveli in Tamil Nadu, Jharia, Dhanbad and Bokaro in Jharkhand. In Tamil Nadu, Neyveli coal mines, they extract the kind of coal that is lignite. Next one is petroleum. Petroleum is found between the layers of rocks and is drilled from the oil field located in offshore and coastal areas. This is sent to the refineries which process crude oil and produce variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastics and lubricants. This everything we can get from the crude oil itself after the process. Petroleum and its derivatives are also called as a black gold because that much precious one, this petroleum. The chief petroleum producing countries are Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq and Qatar. The other major producers are USA, Russia, Venezuela, Kuwait and Algeria. The leading producer in India are Digbai in Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai and the deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers. Next important fuel is natural gas. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposit and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. More than 50% of global natural gas reserves are found in United States of America, Russia, Iran and Qatar. In India, Krishna and Godavari Delta, Assam, Gujarat and some other areas of offshore in Mumbai have natural gas resources. So these are all the resources is a gift of our nature. So we have to preserve our nature resources for the future generation. Everything is in our hand itself. So use the resources wisely and we have to preserve for our next generation. I hope you all have understand this concept of resources and its types. Thank you, students.